Hello all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, here with a Chronicles video of me doing my own nails. So for me, Chronicles are things that I wouldn't be doing except we are in a pandemic at the moment. I have never given myself a manicure, so I always go to the shop, and I'm not comfortable doing that now, so I am doing my own manicure, and then I have some press-on nails, yay, that I'll be putting on. I'm in love with press-on nails now, so I might not be going back because these are reusable. Okay, so the set of instruments I am using to do my manicure I got off of Amazon. I will put the link below. I really did like this set. It includes the cuticle trimmer, which I'm using right now, the cuticle pusher, and the cuticle remover, or the nippers. It worked really well. So I'm just showing you a little bit of what I did to my own nails to get them ready for the press-ons, to do the manicure first. I started with clean, washed hands, dried, and then I began the process you see right now. I'm using the cuticle pusher to push those cuticles off of my actual nail bed. But yeah, I'm trying to get them ready so I can put on my press-on nails. So now I'm using the nippers. That's what you see here, and I am just nipping the extra cuticle that you see there, and I did this for all 10 fingers. Didn't think you wanted to see all of that, but just get the basics for what you need to do for your manicure, your self manicure. So now I am opening my Jazzie nails. I actually ordered 4 sets from her. You see the thank you card, which is very nice. Then this is the instructions for how to apply. And another card with her information on it thanking you and where her shop is. And these are 3 of the sets that I ordered. The other one I just took off, so I hadn't put it back onto its strip yet. So the nails, Jazzie nails, do come with the little kit that has a little emery board, the orange stick, and the glue in it. So that comes with your nail order as well. So just jumping back in, showing you an area where I need to add a little glue because it was offset. The nail was just a little offset. So I put a little glue there, showing that to you, and pressing it down and together. And that worked just fine.